I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on your banking app can feel daunting, but it is usually a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the ING app. Launch the ING mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, find the option for Personal Information or Account Details. This is where you can update your contact information. Step 4. Update phone number. Locate the field for your phone number and enter the new number. Double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you accidentally enter the wrong number, you might miss important notifications, so always double check before saving. I hope this guide helps you easily update your phone number. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.